Alright, let us look at a question from arithmetic progression, again dealing with sum of n terms. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is 22, nth term is minus 11, and the sum of first n terms is 66. Find n and hence find the common difference. So first let us write down the given data. Given a is equal to 22, a sub n is minus 11, and the sum of first n terms is equal to 66. So we know the formula for n terms, which is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And also we know the expression for the nth term, which is a plus n minus 1 times d. So first let's take a sub n equals minus 11, which implies a plus n minus 1 times d equals minus 11. So we know a is 22 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 11. So therefore n minus 1 into d is minus 33. That is, after having sent 22 onto this side, I get minus 33. So I'm going to keep this as equation number 1. Then I know Sn is equal to 66, which is basically n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 66. So n by 2, and I know a is 22, twice 22 is 44, plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 66. Now if I replace the n minus 1 into d here by minus 33, then I would only be left with an unknown, which is n. So I'll say put n minus 1 times d is equal to minus 33, which implies n by 2, 44 minus 33 is equal to 66. N by 2 into 11 is equal to 66. So 11 cancels the 6 times, or n is equal to 12. So once I get the value of n, I can substitute n is equal to 12 here and pull out the value of d. So I'll say in equation 1, 12 minus 1 times d is equal to minus 33. That is 11d is equal to minus 33 implies d is equal to minus 3. So we have been asked to find out n and the common difference, and let us summarize the answers. N is equal to 12 and the common difference is minus 3, and these are the final answers. Alright, let us look at another question. The sum of the first 7 terms of an arithmetic progression is 182 if its 4th and 17th terms are in the ratio 1:5. Find the arithmetic progression. So let us write down the given data. Given S7 is equal to 182 and A4 divided by A17 is equal to 1:5. Alright, so this equation would become 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 182. So if I try to cancel this, 7 2s are 14, 4 2 is 6, and then this becomes 2a plus 6d is equal to 52. I can divide everything by 2, so this gives me a plus 3d is equal to 26. Let's call this equation number 1. Now the ratio of the 4th to the 17th term can be expanded as a plus 3d divided by a plus 16d is equal to 1/5. Cross multiplying, I get 5a plus 15d is equal to a plus 16d, which essentially means if I send 15 to the other side and bring a to the left hand side, I get 4a is equal to d, which I will store as the second equation. Now all I need to do is replace d with 4a in this equation and I will be able to solve it. So I'll say put d is equal to 4a in equation 1, which implies a plus 3 into 4a is equal to 26. So this is 12 plus 1, 13a is equal to 26, implies a is equal to 2. Now equation 2, 4 times 2 is equal to d, which implies d is equal to 8. So the question is asking us to find the arithmetic progression. So required AP would be, the first term is 2, then the common difference is 8, which means 10 plus another 8, 18 plus another 8, 26, so on and so forth. And this would be the final answer.